Hey guys, it's me again, Jerry. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's episode, it's going to be a very kind of special to me because I'm going to tour you around my apartment. So as you enter the door, we have a small entryway here. And as you see, the entryway is also our place where we put our shoes. I'm living here with my two good friends that are like my sisters to me. And these are all our shoes. I like wearing sandals, flat sandals and flat shoes, and I like wearing shoes like this as well. So yeah, I bought these shoes in Marikina, and I also used this when I got married. Area right here where we put our mask. So when we go out of the house, we'll be reminded not to forget the mask. And also when we come in, we can sanitize our hands right away. We have some fridge magnets. So this one right here is, I got it from Rovaniemi in Finland. Look at this cute guy. Yeah, it's an elf. They said put this close to the door because it protects the house. And then at the bottom is, you know, some of the slippers. And then we have an intercom here which doesn't really work. So yeah, it's just there. First right when you enter the house is the toilet. So this is our powder room. Come. Do our makeup here in the morning. Okay, so we have two weighing scale here, and then this rag right here, I made it myself. So I crochet this rag. Look, I hope you find it pretty. I love the color. I crochet this one as well, so it will hold the towel properly, so it will not fall down. Yeah, so I hope you find it pretty. And then these are the things that we use when we prepare in the morning. So this is our living area. So right when you enter the door, you're gonna see it right away. So this is where we receive guests, this is where we hang out, this is where we just relax, you know, gather and chat. You know, this is our cozy little living room. So we have our couches, big couches here. So these couches are actually Jen's couch from her old place long time ago, and look, until now we're still using it. This has been with her for 9 years already. We have a center table here, which is a glass center table, I think it was from Home Center. We have this display for the center table where we put candies in it, so you know, we like having something to grab if you feel like it. So if you like some candies, we have, sometimes we have chocolates here as well. And then we have this poinsettia. You know, guys, this is a flower for the Christmas, but it's a good accent here in this side table. And we just put some wildflowers there. And this is a tissue holder, of course. And if you can see, guys, we have some boxes right here. So please excuse the boxes, because when I went to the US 6 months ago, I put some of my stuff in that box, and they have other stuff too in these boxes. I think they're gonna send them to the Philippines soon. So, you know, it's just there. I hope it's not an eyesore. Then here, hey. So this is a life-size mirror right there. So it's easy for us to prepare in the morning, to check our outfit and to check, you know, if it goes with our shoes as well. And we have a plant as an accent right there in the corner. So I like how they put it together. Actually, it's Jen and Classicas. Here we have a TV that we never used. So that TV has been with us for a long time as well. We have a candle here that we never really use. So it's just all display, guys. This one right here, I got it from Korea when I went to Seoul. So that's so cute. And then we have another Buddha display here. This is a candle holder. This is a humidifier. And then we have some collection of snowballs right there from different countries. So sometimes when I go travel, I bring some, but it's already lessened because some of the snowballs, they run out of water for some reasons. And then, yeah, that's it. Some displays. And then we have this thing here, our snack bar. For some reason, when you work from home, you get hungry all the time. So, and then we have a little thing here. This is small bench, and where we also keep our Christmas decors. Yeah. So we had some photo shoot that I did the last time, and we printed them, put it there. This artwork right here, they were made by one of our friends, Erwin. Hello, Erwin. So we displayed it there. This is our small dining table. As you can see, it's kind of like a couple of steps away from the kitchen, but we don't mind at all. So right after the living room, we have a small section here where we eat. So this is our dining room. And next to it is the window, and that's our view over there. So this is a 4-seater dining table, and we've been using it for a long time already. This is where we eat, and this is where we work as well, especially during the COVID-19 lockdown where we need to work remotely. And then we have some plants there by the window and some candles right there. And this is the view of the city. So the left side is the Dubai side, and the right side is the Sharjah side. That's where our place is located. And these blinds right there, we got them from Home Center. We love the color. And then on this corner, yeah, we have some art. And we have a table here where we put our laptops. Right now we don't have laptops there because they went to work. We have plants and we have a lamp that we don't use also, so we just put there as an accent. I'm going to show you our kitchen. So this is a small kitchen, and we normally do our cooking here, and of course washing the dishes, that's what we do, and you know, the laundry we do in this small room. Let me show you around. Right when you enter the door, you will see the fridge on the right, and you see all my fridge magnets. I got them from my trip, so yeah, it's all there. And then we have the plug here, and then at the top of the fridge is our medicine corner. So we have all our vitamins and medicines right there, paracetamols. And then we also have the sandwich zipper bag, cling wraps, and aluminum foil. It's all right there. And then right here beside it is the sink. So we have this pitcher for water. It's empty right now, and we have some wines that we got from duty free, and we haven't really opened them yet. We have our double sink here. Then there's this cabinet at the bottom where we put all our cleaning materials, and then right beside it is the laundry or washing machine. It's an automatic washing machine, front load. So we just, you know, do our laundry from here. And then this is where we put our plates after we wash them to dry them. And then we have our cups. We like drinking coffee, so that's why they are there. And then we have the microwave so we can heat our food. We have the tissue towel there, fruits, and then of course the rice cooker. You know, this is a Filipino household, so that's kind of like a necessity. And then we have a 4-burner stove right here. And then again, cabinet where we put our pots and pans. And then at the top are also cupboards or cabinets. This is where we put our plates. And this is where we put our condiments and other stocks. Oven is actually not working. For some reason, we haven't really used the oven, but we don't mind because we don't bake anyway. And then here's another cabinet where we keep our utensils and some other canned goods stocks. And then right here, we have this thing where we put, you know, some of the onions and ginger and garlic and some of our spices. And this is, you know, we use them for cooking. This small shelf right here, this is where we keep our coffee, tea, and milk and sugar, and again, you know, spices, so it's easy for us to access them when we're cooking. And then we have the bottled water. So this is our water. this is the living room, and if you turn around on the left, you will see the bedroom. So we're going to the bedroom now. So this is the door to the bedroom, and it's just across our kitchen. And if you notice, this is the small area right here. We have those pictures on display over there. And then once we enter the bedroom, here you go. So this is our bedroom, and this is where we sleep, and this is we hang out if we're not in the living room. So this is our bed, and we have a sofa bed here, but since I'm here temporarily, so I'm sleeping in the sofa bed. And we have a small office here. We have a desk and an office chair. We have an electric fan, if you can see, and then we have some bookshelves over here. I'm not going to show you one by one what's in there, but we love reading books, especially me. I like reading books. Yeah. And then we have here the accessories. This is Jen's accessories. She likes this type of earrings, and these are her necklaces. This is our view right here. This is just a window, and again, this is an extension of the view from the living room. So whatever you see in the living room is the same view right here in the bedroom. This is kind of my small area. So I have an open closet right here. So these are all my clothes, guys. I don't have that much because these are just the clothes. Okay, so these are just the clothes that I brought with me from the US, and that's my luggage. I'm a traveler. I travel 2-3 times a year. Yeah, so that's why I have my luggage there. And then these are the clothes that we don't normally use, and these are just some of the things that we use for the beddings. And this is Jen's and Classica's closet. This is a big one. They're keeping their clothes inside this closet. Oh, this is the whole wall. This is a big closet though. And then if I turn around, that's the bathroom. That's where the bathroom is. And then we have here the hanging shoe rack. So these are their shoes. And then we have this ones where we put our laundries. That's it for today, guys. It's already 5 p.m. though, and I need to make some dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this mini tour of our humble home, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!